when I am abroad, I get a lot of problems because of air conditioning. In Uganda, we don't have to condition the air. We don't have to cool it or warm it. We just enjoy it as it is. All the year round. All the year round. At one time, I thought I was very smart, and I maneuvered Uganda to be on the CNN. If you look on the CNN, when they are giving temperatures of the globe, Kampala is always there. And the temperatures never change. They are always 22 degrees, 28 degrees. So I thought that by the people watching those, they will come to Uganda in big numbers, but they have come, but not as many as I thought.